Hello, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, in last class, we have started our ninth chapter, that is Windows Utility Program. Today, we will start our next topic, that is Sound Recorder. Student, first we will read, after that I will show you practical. Okay. Sound recorder is a very simple application that allows you to record and save sound on the computer. You can record sound through an audio input device such as microphone. To record, first step, click the start button. The start menu appears. Click all programs. The all program menu appears. Click accessories. The accessories menu appears. Click sound recorder. The sound recorder window appears. Fifth step, click start recording to record the sound you want. To stop recording, click stop recording. To save the record sound as an audio file, click the file name box. Type a file name for the recorded sound. Click save. The file is saved. Students, now I will show you practical. Students, sound recorder is a very simple application. It is used to record and save sound on the computer. You can record your voice or any sound through an audio input device just like a microphone. Any sound or your voice you can record with the help of sound recorder. Okay, so let's start with practical. Okay, students, you can see the start button here. You can see, I will click on that start button. You can see the start menu. Okay, after that I will click on all program. Okay, you can see the all program menu appears. After that I will click on accessories. Accessory menu appears. Then you can see the sound recorder here. This is the sound recorder. When I click on that, then you can see the sound recorder. Okay, if you want to start recording, then you have to click on start recording here. When I click on that, then I can start recording. Suppose I have clicked now. Now I will tell something. Good morning everyone. Okay, now I will stop it. You can see this. Here you have to type the name of your file. Your file name is my. Okay, now you can save it. Now your voice is saved. I have saved my file in the document folder. Okay, I will click on document. You can see this. Now I will search for my sound. You can see here my. Okay, now I will open it. I will tell something. Good morning everyone. You can listen my voice. Okay. Like that you can record your voice and you can save your voice. Okay students. Our next topic is games. Playing games is fun. Windows comes with a set of inbuilt games. The games that come with Windows are located in the game folder. Whenever you want to enjoy a game, open the game folder and play the game of your choice. Some of the interesting games are Chess Titans, Inkball, Purple Place, Mahjong's Titans. To start a game, click the Start button. The Start menu appears. Click Games. The game folder appears. Click on the game you want to play. The selected game window appears. Students, you all are enjoying the games. When you are playing games, you are very happy. You are getting so much fun with playing games. Like that you can play games on a computer. When you purchase a window, means software window, some games are inbuilt games are already in it with this window. The games that come with window are located in the game folder. When you open that game folder, then you can see these games that are comes with this window. Whenever you want to enjoy these games, you can open them and you can play them. Okay, according to your choice. Some famous names are here to play the games. Now I will show you a practical how to start a game. Students, you can see this start button. First you have to click on it. Then you can see the game option. Okay. You can see this game option. Okay. Then you have to click on it. Then you can see these games. Okay. Anyone that you want to play, you can open. Suppose I want to open Free Cell. This is open. Now you can play the games. Okay students, you can understand now. I will repeat it if you want. Okay. Suppose you want to play a game. First you have to click on start button. Then you can see the game option here. Then you have to click on it. Then you can see the game Free Cell. You have to double click on it. Then your game is opens. Now you can play the game. Okay. If you know the rules. Okay. Now next topic is WordPad. WordPad is a program used to type, edit, view and print text. In WordPad, you can perform advanced formatting and can include graphics and pictures from other programs. To start WordPad, click on Start button. Start menu appears. Click All program menu appears. Third point is click accessories. The accessory menu appears. Fourth is click WordPad. Now you can see the WordPad window. Students, WordPad is used to type anything. If you want to type, then you will use WordPad. You can edit something, you can view and you can print anything with the help of WordPad. WordPad performs advanced formatting. It includes graphics and pictures from other programs. Okay. Now I will show you how we can open it and how we work on WordPad. Okay. Clear हो गई होगी थोड़ी सी. let's start. You can see this start button. First I will click on it. Now you can see the start menu. Then I will click on all program. You can see all program menu. Then I will click on accessories. Then you can see the WordPad here. Now I will click on WordPad. You can see the WordPad window. If you want to type anything, then you can start typing here. Okay, like that you can type anything on the WordPad window. Suppose you want to add picture, then here you can see a picture. Okay, then I will click on it. I can choose any picture from my folders. Suppose I want to open it. I want to add this picture. You can see now this picture is added to my WordPad window. Like that you can type anything, you can add a picture or graphics, and you can edit something here, you can view, and you can print your text with the help of this WordPad window. Okay students, this much is enough for today. Your homework is practice all the work done in today's class. If you have laptop or computer at your home, if you don't have, then read this lesson thoroughly. Now I will send you a picture of your exercise. Okay, exercise questions I will send with the help of picture. Okay, bye bye, take care.